nightmare. Good morning. We're just starting a little palisade job down off Whitehall Road in Leeds today. We're basically following curb all the way along here, and we've got some big double leaf gates that are going here. So hopefully the lads will get some coverage of this one, and we'll catch up with it later.
Morning guys, me and Charlie out today just to go get an IVC for the yard. Won't be a long job, and then we're back, and then back out to another drop. We're just going to get Charlie to lift it onto the van by himself. Yeah. Because he's a man. Don't worry, I'll give him an hand as well. We're just at State Sawmills, just getting loaded up for a job tomorrow we've got. We did have a lot of it in stock already, but there were an odd few bits that we needed to grab. All loaded up. Cheers buddy. So me and Charlie got back earlier today, and been organising the yard. Got some more stillages on the go, so I thought I'd give you a quick look around now. All this, I don't know if you've seen any of the videos last week, but all this were just full of old stock that we had, well, we weren't getting used. Now we've got all our posts on here, more there. We've got another IVC today for the water, it's going to go there. All this to clear now. I'm going to chop all these down, keep the long pieces. As you can see, it's become a dumping ground over there, but all that over there is actually a lot of jobs. It's all straight in jobs. We've got a bit of stock there as well. But the room, compared to if you look back on the other videos, the amount of room we've cleared up just by doing this is unbelievable.
Hi there, we're just down at this job at off of Whitehall Road in Leeds. Lads have cracked on, we've done most of the hard work now. Jamie's just cutting this existing fence that customer had. Just going to stack it for them. We can reuse it. My guys have done this with the big gates here, look. This minibus place here runs out of here, and everybody from this estate used to park here, so it's a problem for them. Filming itself.
Right, just got to the job, lads forgot a post. Blame it on him there. Jamie. Let's have a look what they're doing. Are you hiding behind that gate, yeah? Oh yeah, 100%. He already said about buying one. So we've got two hard workers, and then we've just got Jamie here.
Morning. Guys are just about to set off for the job they've been on. Whitehall Road in Leeds. Got the gates on. We got the posts in yesterday. Done most of the hard work. Just got to bail it now. Look, easy day for them really. What we need, week coming up to Christmas. You see in distance there, over Charlie's shoulder. We always get water standing in the yard. We've put a big drain down here, so the water will come out down here. I will dig it a bit more before we finish, but look what you're digging through. Total bricks. Bloody nightmare. I think I can hear somebody now. Not bad time that. Who's this? I think it's going to be Justin. Try to beat me, but I have to get out of bed quicker than that. There he is, look.
Morning. Got brew water in.
Hey, you didn't beat me though, did you?
No. I beat you yesterday, that's how I beat you by about an hour as well.
Give up. Back at the yard, I've just been for my booster jab, third one. Come on guys, you need them. That's when you nearly died of it like me. Well, we're getting there now, just on the final bit, concreting. Just probably one barrel left now. Gonna go ice skating on there, look. Yeah, look, nice. Like some wet, does Jamie?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But yeah, and we're coming the day or so over Christmas, New Year, get this concreted and that. made a better job of it.